Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. For those of who you don't know me, I'm Aniket, also known as Show, and today I've got something a little different to share with you guys. I recently turned 19, and yes, I'm officially a college dropout. It wasn't an easy decision, but I knew I had a different path to follow. I have been deep into a forex trading for last 3 years, and I have also spent 2 years trading in equities. This journey has been full of struggle, setbacks, and a lot of hard lessons. But I am also gained a valuable experience that I think can help a lot of you who are just starting out. I am not here to claiming to be a super wealthy or showing off fancy cars and luxury houses. Truth is, I am still working my way up, and there are a long road ahead, guys. But here is the thing, we can all get rich together if we stay focused. So, guys, in this channel, I'm going to share my entire trading journey with you, the ups and the downs, the strategies used, the mistakes I made in last 3 years, and most importantly, the lessons I learned. If you're here to get real insights into the world of trading, you guys are at a right place. Let's get started on this journey together on trading at a time. So hit the subscribe button, turn on the notifications, and let's make this year a beginning of something big. And don't forget to join our Telegram channel. All the social media's links are in the bio. So don't forget it and be with us, guys. We will become millionaires, after that billionaires, soon as possible.